Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Small Second. Today we're taking a look at the Casio G-Shock DW-5600RL-1ER, a modern take on one of the most iconic square G-Shock designs. This model stays true to the original idea: toughness, simplicity, and everyday reliability. The watch comes in a classic Casio G-Shock paper box with bold, instantly recognizable branding. G-Shock watches are built around shock resistance. A hollow case structure and resilient resin construction protect the internal module from impacts and vibrations. The case, bezel, and strap are made from bio-based resin, offering durability with a more sustainable material choice. The iconic square case measures 48.9 by 42.8 millimeters with a thickness of 13.4 millimeters. Despite its rugged build, the watch weighs just 52 grams, making it comfortable for all-day wear. The display is protected by mineral glass designed to handle everyday scratches and impacts. On the back, a stainless steel screw-down case back supports the watch's 200-meter water resistance. Functionally, this is a pure classic G-Shock. You get a 100-second stopwatch, a countdown timer up to 24 hours, a multifunction alarm, and an hourly time signal. A full automatic calendar until $29.99 and 12 or 24-hour time formats. Keep everything simple and practical. Time can be displayed in either 12 or 24-hour format, with an accuracy of approximately plus 15 seconds per month. Low light visibility is handled by the Super Illuminator LED backlight. Inside is Casio's reliable digital quartz module 3525, powered by a CR2016 battery. Official battery life is approximately 5 years. The Casio G-Shock DW-5600RL-1ER is a perfect example of why G-Shock has become a legend. It's simple, tough, functional, and instantly recognizable, a true classic that works just as well on the street as it does in extreme conditions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.